Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make gourd medallion necklaces. Now, there are actually different things you can make with these. You can make kind of the same thing, but make it like a pin or a button. So if you'd like to see how to make those, just comment down below and give this video a like, and I can show you how to make those. But today I'm just going to be showing you how to make the necklaces. This is the one I make in the tutorial, and this is an extra one that I made just for fun. So let's get started. For this craft, you will need your actual gourd medallion. Now this is just a piece of a gourd. It is about 2.5 inches. There are little ridges cut out of it, and then it's smooth right here. The sides and the back are spray painted black so it'll look nicer. And then it's very important that it is hollowed out in part of it, like mine is, because we're going to put the excess string there so that there won't be a lump. And you can make this yourself. All you need is a gourd and some supplies. You will also need some embroidery thread, about 63 inches each. You'll need 1 sparkly color and 2 solid colors. A gem or a button for extra decoration. A necklace strap, or you can use like thread and tie it around. A round ball plate for attaching your necklace strap. A piece of felt, preferably sticky back, because we will need to put it on the back of our medallion, and you want it small enough so that you can't see it on the other side. Then finally, the last thing you will need is some glue, and I like to use E6000 because it works the best. Let's get started. So for the first part, you will need your gourd medallion and one of your solid colors, whichever one you choose, and we are going to wrap it around. It's a little bit complicated, so I'm going to show you that now. So sorry for all the background noise. As you can tell, I'm filming outside, so there will be lots of background noise. So you want to take your medallion and flip it over. Take your glue and put a little bit of glue right there so that it can hold your thread in place while you wrap it around your gourd medallion. So then you want to get your thread. Just going to unwrap it. And a lot of the supplies I got at Michael's and other craft stores, so just check some of your local craft stores and they should have the supplies so that you can make this at home. So now that I have done that, I'm going to put it on the back so that it can hold in place. You just want to put like a little bit of it in there and then try to get it to stay. You can put some more glue on top if you want it to stay more. Once you have glued in your string on the back, you want to put it kind of through the first loop it naturally goes through, and then skip down a few, but not directly into the middle. This is how many I like to do. And then you want to go to the left and to the right, to the left, to the right. And keep doing that all the way around until you run out of thread. And then I'll show you what to do once you get close to the end. So once you have gotten to the end of your string, you want to take your glue and put some on the back. And then attach your string so that it will stay. And now we are done with the first part. And now we're going to do the exact same thing with our second solid color. Now we're going to do the exact same thing one more time, but with our sparkly thread. Now that we have put on all 3 of our threads, we are almost done. The next step is to put on your round ball plate. So right here I have the round ball plate, my medallion, and my glue. So what you want to do is flip your medallion over, just add some glue to the back, and then wherever you want to stick it, you just set it there and then press down. You can have it hidden by making it lower. I kind of like to have it show a little bit. So that's where I'm going to put mine. Sorry it's not focusing very well. I have my gem, my medallion, and my glue. So I'm going to put my gem right here in the middle, which you would put your button or a gem of your choice right there too. So all you want to do is put some glue on the back and then stick it right there. And let it dry, and then we only have 2 more steps and we'll be done. Okay, so I have my felt piece and my medallion. If you have sticky back felt, you will not need glue for this part, but you just want to peel off the back, or if you don't have sticky back, put glue on the back. So you just want to stick your felt on to the back. And now let's put on the necklace strap and we'll be all finished. So I have my necklace strap and my medallion. So I'm just going to put it through the round ball plate that we have there. Once you have that on there, you are all done. So here's a final look at what mine looks like. And then you can also make as many as you would like. I have 2 right here. And now on to the outro. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe for more videos. If you would like me to show you how to make different types of gourd medallions, just comment down below like I said in the intro. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!